props against the lush hills of Guwahati, Assam, the gateway to the Northeast India. The Greenwood Resort welcomes you to its luxurious stay and dine just a stone throw from the busy cityscape. Located down the hill in Khanapara, just a few meters off National Highway 37, the Greenwood perfectly marries the splendors of a rich modern-day resort with the serenity of a natural retreat. A pathway flanked by palm takes and other trees ushers you into an authentic Assamese experience that will stay with you forever. On entering the space, you get a close peek into the northeastern state cultural and geographical diversity and richness that have historically and rightfully set a distinct mark on the world. So, professionals and personal responsibilities can stress us out, and therefore everyone deserves a break once in a while. There are many beautiful made resorts for the purpose that is safe and extremely enjoyable for kids and adults alike. So they make for a perfect picnic spot for families, friends, and even corporates outings. If you are on the hunt for a fun resort, then I suggest you check out Greenwood Resort located in Khanapara, Guwahati, Assam. Established in the year 2007, Greenwood Resort in Khanapara, Guwahati is a top player in the category resorts in the Guwahati city. This well-known establishment acts as a one-stop destination servicing customers both for local and from other parts of Guwahati city, other states, country and abroad. Over the course of its journey, this business has established a firm foothold in its industry. The belief that customer satisfaction is as important as the products and services have helped this establishment garner a vast base of customers which continues to grow by the day. This business employs individuals that are dedicated towards their respective roles and put in a lot of efforts to achieve the common vision and larger goals of the company. In the near future, this business aims to expand its line of products and services and cater to a larger client base. In Guwahati, this establishment occupies a prominent location in Khanapara. It is an effortless task in commuting to this establishment as there are various modes of transports readily available. It is at the GS Road near Madhav Nagar Them Market, which makes it easy for first-time visitors in locating this establishment. It is known to provide top services in the following categories: resorts, 3-star resorts, resorts with swimming pool, dine restaurants, bar, and many more. Greenwood Resort in Khanapara has a wide range of products and services to cater to the varied requirements of the customers. Amidst the hustle bustles of Guwahati city, Greenwood Resort Khanapara has a delightful casual dining that will really amuse you. With an outspread menu that is fairly priced, it's definitely worth a visit more than once. Visit Greenwood Resort Khanapara in the company of your friends and family for lip-smacking food and some fun times, all together in one place. Ladies and gentlemen, it's truly amazing to spend a moment here with family at Greenwood Resort and freely relaxing our stressful minds and mingling around with beautiful green picturesque view of the resort in the quietness of a serene natural environment and enjoy the classic taste of restaurant foods that serve us on the tables to our heart's contentment. Aloysius Papang signing off for now.